So I'm going to be giving you guys a tip on how you can install unknown apps on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now, anytime you're trying to download something that's not in the Play Store, you are going to have issues depending on the browser you're currently using, but there is a way where you can actually download stuff from your browser. So what you need to do is go into your settings. In this example, I'm going to go with Google Chrome because that's what the stock browser is, but you want to go down to Apps. Then when you click on apps, you're going to want to find Google Chrome. Now, if you're using a different browser like Mozilla or something, you would choose that. But when I click on Chrome, you're going to see that there's going to be an option at the bottom here, which is going to say allow unknown apps. Now I'm holding this up to the camera so you guys can see. All you got to do is check mark it, and that's it. Now when you go to the Chrome browser and you try to download something, you're not going to have any issues. It'll be taken care of. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tip. I'd also like to point out you can get on our Tech newsletter where we send out one email a week on only the good stuff directly below in the description. As always, thanks for watching this, guys, and we'll see y'all in the next video.